Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
In this video, I am going to construct an analytic function if the subtraction of two real part and imaginary part is given. U minus V is given and I have to find out U plus IV, analytic function f of z. Okay, from this one, let me consider let f of z is equal to U plus IV is analytic. If it is analytic, then it is differentiable. Okay, then f dash of z is equal to, I can write it as dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Okay, my intention is to find out dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x at x equal to z and y equal to 0. That is Milne-Thomson method. From the given thing, I have to calculate dou u by dou x plus I into separately dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x. Then I can substitute in this. I can find out this one. Okay, let me call this equation number 1. Here, consider this given function. Consider u minus v is equal to x minus y plus e raised to x into bracket cos y minus sin y. From this one, let me differentiate it partially with respect to x and y as well. Okay, so that I can find out dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x separately. Now differentiating partially with respect to x, I am getting dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x is equal to differentiating partially with respect to x, that is 1 minus 0 plus, while differentiating partially with respect to x, this whole bracket will become constant. Therefore, e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x into cos y minus sin y. As the product is there, this will carry as it is. This is my dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x. Then how can I find out the dou u by dou y? Okay, now similarly, differentiating partially with respect to y now, dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou y is equal to, okay, dou v by dou y minus dou u by dou y minus dou v by dou y. Differentiating this one partially with respect to y now. This is 0 minus the partial of y is 1 plus e raised to x is constant and partial derivative of cos y will become minus sin y, and differential of cos sin y will become minus, as already there, cos y. Okay, but I want to find out dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x, but this is dou u by dou y, this one. Okay, this one I can replace them by using CR equations. Okay, by CR equations, dou u by dou x can be written as dou v by dou y and dou v by dou y, sorry, dou v by dou x, I can write it as minus dou u by dou y. Okay, therefore let me call this equation as, this equation will become, that is dou u by dou y is replaced by minus dou v by dou x, minus dou v by dou x minus dou v by dou y is replaced by dou u by dou x, which is equal to, I will expand this one, minus 1 plus e raised to x into bracket minus sin y minus cos y. Okay, now I will call this equation as equation number 2 and this equation as equation number 3. Both left hand side are containing in terms of dou u by dou x and dou v by dou x. My intention is to find out dou u by dou x. Therefore, adding ones and subtracting ones these equations, I am going to get them as, now equation 2 plus 3. Therefore, my equation 2 is what? Dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou x is equal to 1 plus, okay, 1 plus, I will expand those things. This is my dou u by dou x equation, just you can check. 1 plus e raised to x minus, this one I will expand like this one. That is 1 plus e raised to x into cos y minus e raised to x into sin y I will write. Similarly, equation 3, that is nothing but minus do v by do x minus do u by do x is equal to right hand side is minus y minus, you can just check here my equation number 3. My equation number 3 is this one, minus x is this one. I will split. Okay, I will split that one as minus e raised to x into sine y minus e raised to x into cos y. Now I have to add these two equations. While adding these two, what I am going to get, do u by do x minus do u by do x cancels. Therefore, it is minus 2 times do v by do x is equal to, okay, on the right hand side. While adding them, this is minus 1, sorry. Now plus 1 minus 1, 0. E raised to x cos y minus e raised to x cos y cancels. This will become minus 2 times e raised to x sin y. Okay, or I can write do v by do x is equal to minus of minus plus, 2 cancels, this 2 cancels. Therefore, e raised to x into sin y will remain. Next, same thing, same two equations I will subtract so that I will get the do u by do x. Okay, therefore equation 2 minus 3 I will do now. Equation 2 is do u by do x minus do v by do x. Directly also you can do, but for in detail I am solving, that's why I will write this once again. 1 plus e raised to x into cos y minus e raised to x into sin y is my equation number 2. And then equation 3 is minus do v by do x minus do u by do x is equal to minus 1 minus e raised to x sin y minus e raised to x cos y is my equation number 3. While subtracting, the signs will change. This will become plus, this will become plus, plus, plus and plus. All the signs will become changes. Therefore, do u by do x plus do u by do x will become 2 times do u by do x, and minus do u by do x plus do u by do x cancels. On right hand side, 1 plus 1, 2 e raised to x cos y plus e raised to x cos y plus 2 times e raised to x cos y, and minus e raised to sin y plus e raised to sin y cancels. Therefore, my do u by do x I can write it as do u by do x equal to, I can write taking 2 common, 1 plus e raised to x cos y is my do u by do x. Therefore, do v by do x I am having and do u by do x. These two terms I will calculate at x equal to z and y equal to 0. That is by Milne-Thomson method. Therefore, at x equal to z and y equal to 0, my do u by do x is equal to 1 plus e raised to z into cos 0. That is equal to 1 plus e raised to z. Similarly, do v by do x is equal to e raised to z into sin 0, which is equal to 0. Okay, therefore my equation 1, that is f dash of z or d omega by dz will become do u by do x 1 plus e to the power z plus I into do v by do x 0. What I want to calculate for z equal to, therefore on integration with respect to z, I will get omega equal to, or f of z is equal to integration of 1 plus e to the power z dz plus c. Okay, therefore integration of 1 plus e to the power z, integration of 1 is z, integration of e to the power z is e to the power z plus c is the required analytic function whose subtraction of real part and imaginary part, what they have given, u minus v. Like this, examples on polar form I am going to solve in my next videos. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment and also share this video. Thank you friends.